Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to copy your profile URL on the LinkedIn app when using your PC. LinkedIn has recently updated its interface, and if you've been wondering where that option is or how to grab your profile link, you're in the right place. Let's get started step by step. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Give it a moment to load up so you're on the main home screen. Once you're in, look at the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Me icon with your profile picture. Click on that. Next, after the menu drops down, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your profile page where all your details are visible. This is the page that's tied to your professional presence on LinkedIn. So, everything we need can be found here. As you scroll through your profile, look to the section labeled Public and Profile URL. This is where LinkedIn stores your custom profile link. It's usually displayed on the right-hand side of the page. Now, to copy that URL, place your cursor over it. Simply drag and highlight the entire link so the whole address is selected. Once highlighted, right-click with your mouse. From the menu that pops up, click on Copy. That's it. You have successfully copied your LinkedIn profile URL. From here, you can paste it anywhere you want, whether that's into a resume, an email, or even a message. This is the link that directs people straight to your profile so they can see your professional information. It only takes a few clicks, but this small detail can make a big difference when it comes to sharing your profile quickly and making your LinkedIn presence easily accessible. Now you know exactly how to copy your profile URL on the LinkedIn app using your PC after the new update. Thanks for watching.